Do you know you can generate 20 to 50 videos using Grok without paying a dime? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. My name is Chris, and I'm here to help you unlock free AI video generation. I'll guide you step by step so you can create high quality videos every day without limits. Before I continue, check this out. I know you will love it. This was generated free without Grok subscription. Now let's get to it. The name of the site is Gemini Gen AI. This is what the homepage looks like. On the top left, click on the three horizontal lines and a menu will pop up. From there, click on the sign up button. You'll be taken to a new interface. Go ahead and click on the verification box. Once it shows success, select register with Google. This will take you to your email list. Choose the Gmail you want to use, and just like that, your account is created. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you're really missing out. There are many helpful videos coming your way, so hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and drop a comment below. Now, make sure you follow these steps carefully so you don't get limited. Alright, let's continue. This is what the main page looks like after logging in. Make sure you're on image to video mode. Here, you'll see different options like Grok, image upload, the prompt section dimensions, and other settings. Now, we're focusing on Grok, so go ahead and select it. Next, click on select image and upload any image from your gallery. I'm going to be using an image of a woman and her son coming back from farm, which I generated earlier from my gallery. After that, move to the prompt section. I'm going to be using a prompt of a mother and her son walking back from the farm with bountiful harvest. After inputting the prompt. Now scroll down and choose your dimensions, either 16:9 for landscape depending on your content, but mine is at 16:9. Then set your resolution to 480p. This is very important if you don't want to be limited. Also, keep the duration at 6 seconds. Don't increase it. Once everything is set, click on generate. Give it a few seconds. If it doesn't appear immediately, don't worry, it's still processing. You can refresh the page or check the notification bell and you'll see your generated video there. It's just 30 seconds now, then let's check the notification bell. Yes, as you can see, it's green, which means the video has been created. Let's see if our video is ready. Yes, it's ready. Now you can repeat this same process to generate more videos without getting limited. Wow, this is great. All right, now that the video has finished generating, you can see the result right here. This is exactly what we created using just a simple image and a basic prompt, and you can see the quality is actually very good. Now let's go ahead and download our generated video. All these videos were all generated today, as you can see. Now remember, always keep your settings on 420 resolution and 6 seconds if you want to keep generating without running out of credits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And most importantly, stay connected, because I'll keep bringing you more ways to create AI videos for free, so you never miss out on any new method when it drops. See you in my next video, but before then, let's enjoy the video we created. Bye.
What a bountiful harvest, my son.
Yes, Mama, the God is so heavy.
The village will be so proud.